Welcome to Power BI certification series, and this is the question number 9. What is the purpose of user principal name function in RLS? Very important function when you are working within the RLS. So you should know what is the purpose. So first is to return the user's email address. Option 2, to return the user full name, to return the user's role, or to return the user's department. If you don't know this, then it will be difficult for you to really configure the security, right? So make sure you check it out, do a bit of a research if you are not already aware as to what is the purpose of user principal name, and have an understanding of why this particular function is very important from a row level security perspective. So if you want to attempt questions like this, then what I've done is I've created a question bank, which is a paid question bank, and it has a mix of all Power BI service, tags, visualization, query, modeling, all of those type of scenarios, so that you can really test your skills into the Power BI for passing the Power BI certification. And this is the question bank number 1. I have a plan to release a couple of more question banks so that you can attempt as many questions, so that when you are going for an exam, you don't face any issue, right? With that, thank you so much, and now I'll meet you in the new video with a new topic related to Power BI certification.